Here are some things that we have to note for the verb plus ing structure. Let's look at the first thing. So you can follow these verbs with a noun if you wish. It doesn't have to be an ing form. For example, I enjoy watching romance movies and action movies. This is a verb plus ing structure. Enjoy plus watching, ing. However, we don't need the ing form. We can simply say, I enjoy romance movies and action movies. The meaning of these two sentences is very similar, but the first is emphasizing that you enjoy watching these movies. Can you see the difference between the two sentences? Imagine if I say, I enjoy tennis. What does this mean? Does it mean I enjoy playing tennis? Does it mean I enjoy watching tennis on television? What does it mean? I enjoy tennis. We're not sure, but if I add an ing form, it's much clearer. I enjoy playing tennis, or I enjoy watching tennis. Can you see? So adding the ing after the verb can clarify and enhance the meaning. Let's look at the next thing that we should note. The tense of the verbs can change, but the ing form must still be used after. For example, I loved eating chocolate when I was a child. I love eating new cuisine from around the world. She loves eating at expensive restaurants. Notice the tense loved, love, and loves. It's different in each sentence, but the ing form always comes after. So it doesn't matter about the tense, whether it's past or present. What matters is the actual word, love. Love can be followed by an ing form in any tense. Here is the final thing to note. The verb plus ing structure is different to the present continuous, which we looked at in a previous lecture. It's very similar, it looks similar, but the meaning is different. Have a look at this example, the verb plus ing example. I enjoy traveling around France. This means generally I like traveling around France. But the present continuous form is I am traveling around France. This means I am traveling around France now. So that last thing to note was just to make sure that you understand the difference between the verb plus ing structure and the present continuous. They both use an ing verb, but the meaning is very different. Sometimes they can be confused. Just make sure you're aware of the difference. Now, let's move on to the speaking and listening practice lectures.